Hey everyone, it's Or from Wicked Cushions, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use our WC bands for Astro A50. These are going to fit the A50 Gen 4, A50X, and A50 Gen 5. These headband replacements are going to come in all of the colors that match our ear pad designs. So let me move you to the top of the table, and I'll show you how easy it is to replace the headband. Let's start. Okay, so let's start. This is the A50X. I also have the A50 Gen 4 right here, but I'm going to show you first the A50X because they're slightly harder to remove. So the way you remove it, and I'll show you the mechanism of how this installs after I remove it, you're simply going to put a finger on the side of the headband, and then you're going to pull the headband, to the other way. So if you pushed it like this, you're simply going to pull the headband to this side. So look what I'm doing. I'm going to push it like that, and then pull it. All right, so basically the movement is you push like this, and then you pull it. All right, and that is how you remove the A50X headband. Again, very, very important. If you feel like you're about to break your headset, do not do this. If it's taking too much effort, do not do this. Just take it slow, and you'll figure out, once you see the mechanism, the way that the mechanism is installed, you'll find out what you need to do to remove the headband. So on the back side of the arches, so there are two slots on the back side of the arches, right here and right here. And on the headband itself, you have two hooks, which are these two wings on the side of the headband. This one and this one. So these two hooks basically go inside these two slots. All right, so now you know what you need to do to remove it, but the method that I've shown you is the best way to get the leverage and get it out of those arches. So to install it, you're simply going to put the headband in one hook, and then the other one, align them. You're gonna look from the back that you're aligned. Once it's aligned, just simply gonna push the arches together, and the headband is on. So the same thing is going to be with the A50. They're just slightly, the A50 Gen 4, the headband is just slightly different than the A50X, which makes the A50X a little bit harder to remove. But the same method works on the A50 Gen 4 and Gen 5. Push it, pull it to the side, and then you can sometimes just separate it. And that is it. You're simply going to remove it like that, and then you are going to install the same way. Same way is pushing it, putting the hooks in the same place. And that is it. This is how you remove and install the headband. And that is it for today's video, everyone. I really hope that it was helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. Our contact information is in the description below. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this every month. I will see you on the next one. Meanwhile, stay wicked, my friends.